How to buy Brian Armstrong saves Ethereum 69 token. So this token came under the symbol of BASE-69. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token, and don't forget to check their community too. Now as you can see, this token is available on the explainer. It's created 2 days ago, and as you can see, this token trending number 6 in the base section on the explainer. Now, so if you also buy this token, what you need to do is just click here to copy the token address and open your Bitget wallet. For that, as you can see, now I will just go to top right corner here. So just click here and select the base network. Now, after that, what you need to do is just click on this plus icon, and now you can paste token address in the search bar. Now, as you can see, this our token. Now, click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now, go back to your wallet, and now keep searching until you find your token that you just added called BASE-69. Now after you find it, just click on it, and now click here on swap. Now switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and now here you can type how much you want to buy like that, and this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, what you need to do is just click here on swap, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy BASE-69 token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.